What's good, y'all? Today I'm be showing y'all some of the new things I added to the Gunsmith. First, start off with the grape soda. It's now Blue Surge, and when you drink it 4 times, the soda actually starts to disappear, and then you can drop your cup. For the Gunsmith, we added new dual mags with animations, new sight reticles. You can change the reticle on your sight, and there's a binary trigger, semi and burst. There's also a reset data button to reset all your attachments back to the base attachments that were on the gun. And there's new tracers. And your animation resets when you take off a dual mag to a normal reload. The new tracers, you can put on a full auto thing. Change them to red so you can see them better. But there's also new flashlight effects. For the AKs, it's a dual banana clip. And if you die, if with Game Pass, your attachments will now save. There's also working switches for pistols. The button clicks in, and now you're full auto, and it clicks out, and now you're semi. And if it's clicked in, and you die, it resets back to semi. That's about it.